We need to talk. I'm gonna ask you, what are you doing with your life? We start off good, but years pass, we age, and we get scared. Scared of debt, losing our health. I mean, it could be growing older. I understand. I've got family too. You know, something to fight for. And I don't want anything to take that away. Not my boss, my finances, or my age. But what if you never could get fired? You won't. And what if age really were just a number? It is. Featured in Harper's Bazaar, Vogue, and Cosmo, the media is proclaiming it as the latest breakthrough in anti-aging. What is it? It's called the Youth Enhancement System,
or Y.E.S. And it's comprised of the latest in skincare and nutritional products. Using only the purest ingredients, Y.E.S tackles aging in a way never before accomplished. With state-of-the-art technology and clinically proven results, it's revolutionizing the industry on a global level. A powerful group of products. Some work from the inside out, while others work
from the outside in. It's a complete defense against aging. Let's start with Jeunesse. Jeunesse is an anti-aging skincare using advanced technology to support the body's natural ability to renew itself. Step 1 is to purify the skin with the Youth Restoring Cleanser. Step 2 is the Cellular Rejuvenation Serum. The serum is the flagship. It reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your complexion totally revitalized. Now, step 3 is cool. It begins with the moisturizing complex in the morning, protecting against the sun's harmful rays during the day.
And ends with the advanced night repair, a secret weapon to apply just before bed, repairing your skin while you sleep.
Well, inside, I feel like I'm 25 years old. I get concerned about the wrinkles, and it seems like every time I look in the mirror, there's a new one there.
I just turned 30, so I'm more conscious about my face than ever before.
I really didn't take care of my skin the way I was supposed to. Really wasn't responsible with sunscreen.
I tend to get rosacea right here on the cheeks, up in the forehead area.
These fine lines, you know, the ones around my eyes and around my mouth. I'm thinking, what am I gonna do about that?
I've struggled with acne my whole life, and it seems like all the other cleansers I've ever used really dry out my skin, and I feel like I have to choose between either dry skin or acne.
I always thought, you know, skin treatments or skin creams are really for girls. But the more that I thought about it, the more I gave it a try, I said, you know something, this is making a difference.
I love the feel of Jeunesse. It's just very silky, really soft on my skin. It's not greasy, which I love.
The lightness of the product, and it's very refreshing when you put it on.
They go on really nice, and they feel real natural.
It's not too messy, it just goes on smooth.
It doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel greasy, and I feel refreshed in my face. It's so nice and luxurious.
I love the serum. That is my favorite of all.
I love how much it lightened my brown spots and my hands. My biggest pet peeve was how fast my hands have aged.
I've tried products that just don't seem to do it, but the serum evened out my skin just very nicely.
Another is a botanical blend of antioxidants. These supercharge your internal systems. The key ingredient is resveratrol. Now, resveratrol defends against oxidative stress and helps maintain a healthy immune system. Just a single packet a day can help your cells stay healthier, live longer, and leaves you looking and feeling great. It's called Reserve. Now, speaking of supplements, with thousands of options available, how do we know which ones actually work?
We don't. AM/PM is a proven set of supplements with the highest quality ingredients to combat the signs of aging and help cells in the body function properly. AM provides you a concentration of energy you need to start your day, while PM helps prepare for a restful night's sleep so your body can focus on cell renewal and maintenance. I've learned that to look and feel younger requires maintenance, and an easy maintenance starts with a good internal cleanse.
Funny, and people used to say that one of these helps keep the doctor away. Part of that's true. For nearly 2 decades, This has been used to help fight radiation by people surviving the Chernobyl nuclear catastrophe. The catch is, you need about this much. And that is obviously a problem. Developed out of need, Propectin is the only product that the famous Dr. Michael Nobel has ever endorsed. In a nutshell, Propectin is an intense detox that filters impurities and eliminates dangerous heavy metals and toxins from the body. So you've learned about growth factors, resveratrol, proven supplements, and pectin. You ever heard of telomeres? Me neither. I had no idea as to how important they really are. Thousands of studies now show the connection
between short telomeres and cellular aging. And this? This is the most advanced anti-aging supplement to date. Finity contains the only proprietary blend of natural ingredients that are known to safely lengthen short telomeres and maintain healthy stem cells. So together, all these products become the Youth Enhancement System. Together, they're like a domino effect that helps repair DNA, promotes new cell growth, lengthens telomeres, and it focuses on your health at microscopic levels, some that are working from the outside in and others that work from the inside out. Y.E.S is the most advanced anti-aging system on the planet, and it's exclusive to only one company, Jeunesse.
What does it mean to look and feel young? Out of the many skincare products we can buy, do any of them actually work? How about the large variety of supplements? Are they truly effective? Is it hard to be honest and say you feel you're at the top of your game? For centuries, everyone from explorers to scientists have been searching for answers, and it's been quite a failed operation. From invasive surgeries, medicinal treatments, and even expensive, ineffective ointments, we have all been players in this game, and yet the fountain of youth has eluded us. But what if youth could be redefined so age wasn't a factor at all? What if it was an exclusive skincare line that harnessed the latest in breakthrough science, minimizing the appearance of lines and wrinkles? What if aging could be reversed and restored even below the surface? Perhaps detoxify the body and remove harmful poisons. Maybe harnessing the power of natural energy and antioxidants. Boosting the metabolism and immune system past optimum levels of performance? Yes. And what if it took all of these wonderful elements, combining them into a powerful and yet very simple daily routine? Well, scientists have discovered key facts associated to slowing the aging process. And they have been tested tested so much that they are scientifically proven in several independent studies. These products have transformed thousands of lives for the better, improving cellular functions that spread to every part of our body. Results are very real, so possible in fact because some products work from the inside out, while others work from the outside in. Prepare yourself. You won't even recognize the newer, better you. Jeunesse. Make more, look younger, enjoy life. Welcome to Generation Young. Introducing the Jeunesse Ultimate Lifting Mask. Exclusively by Jeunesse.
Aging. This is a topic that literally affects everyone. But what if there was a revolutionary solution? The answer? Stem cells.
Stem cells are basically our fountain of youth. This is what maintains our body's reparative, regenerative abilities. As we age, every cell breaks down and needs to be replaced, and what replaces it is the stem cells.
By using stem cells, a company has developed a special growth factor complex that heals our cells and slows down the appearance of the aging process. The process begins with the search for the best stem cells in the human body. The stem cells are found within the body's fat layer. By using a sterile and specialized syringe, doctors extract a mixture of fatty tissue and a group of healthy stem cells. Laboratory technicians then separate the stem and fat cells by using a centrifuge system. From here, the stem cells are placed in a petri dish and given food they need to grow. As the cells grow, they multiply quickly, filling in any gaps or holes. This is very similar to how the body heals wounds. During this phase, the stem cells release a chemical signal, or what is called a growth factor. Growth factors are the cell's language. This is how thousands of cells communicate, enabling each other to do one vital function: repair and regenerate tissue in the body. Growth factors are the critical ingredient used in a revolutionary youth-enhancing system developed by a global leader in this technology. The company is Jeunesse. The state-of-the-art product is Jeunesse.
Stem cell technology is very important to medicine and to the cosmetic industry because it's allowing us to deliver to the body exactly the same growth factors, the same signals that it needs to repair and regenerate the tissues.
When Jeunesse is applied to your skin, it's like the same process that the stem cells go through in the petri dish. Growth factors in the Jeunesse products talk to your body's cells. The result? A healthier, much younger, better-looking you.
I feel like I have to choose between either dry skin or acne.
Really wasn't responsible with sunscreen.
Rosacea right here on the cheeks, up in the forehead area.
These fine lines, you know, the ones around my eyes and around my mouth. I'm thinking, what am I gonna do about that?
The serum evened out my skin.
I love how much it lightened my brown spots.
The morning you wake up and your skin is like really soft and my skin feels fresh and moisturized. It's great.
what you want to do is twist off the top. You want to squirt out a very small amount. Flip the lid over and reseal it. So you can use this file 2 or 3 more times. Is tap a very, very thin layer. I'm just tapping a very thin layer on her skin, but you want to leave it about 10 or 15% damp on the skin. Do not rub it all the way in because the product works as it's drying, so you want it to allow it to do this.
Okay, I'm gonna start a timer. I can't see the...
Now, you haven't seen anything yet.
You can use Instantly Ageless before or after your makeup. First of all, you want to do all your preventative maintenance and all the good stuff first.
How long has it been? What do you see? What are you thinking?
Time. To the human body, time is a critical factor that is simply unavoidable. Is it then possible that there's an answer we could use to at least slow down the aging process? There is.
The cell can be compared to a fine Swiss watch with intricate gears working perfectly. Inside each one of the cells in our body is the nucleus, and inside the nucleus are the chromosomes, which are made up of DNA. At the end of the edge of each one of the chromosomes is a tiny little cap, similar to the end of a shoelace.
This is known as a telomere. A telomere is a key section of the chromosome that allows the cell to make copies of itself.
And as the cell divides, that little cap gets shorter and shorter with each division until the cells stop dividing and stop functioning.
When AM/PM is taken daily, it's like the same process of tuning the body's very intricate fine Swiss watch. The result? A healthier, much younger, better-looking you.
Jeunesse. We are redefining youth.
Reserve, resveratrol. Those two names seem almost identical, and this is of course intentional. Reserve is a Jeunesse product, and resveratrol is one of the major ingredients, but it is not the only one. In fact, there are 8 other major active ingredients: cherry, aloe vera, pomegranate, green tea, blueberry, grape seeds, acai, and grape juice. And oxygen is involved everywhere in our body. It will oxidize everything, including our DNA. Fortunately, we have in-house antioxidants which are designed to counteract the destructive action of oxygen. But this is not enough to cover all the damage done by oxidation. This is why our body uses extra antioxidants coming from our food, and especially the ones coming from colored fruits like blueberry, acai, cherries, and red grapes. Those antioxidants are located on the skin of the fruit, and they are originally designed to protect the fruits against oxidation. Reserve has an excellent combination of antioxidants, especially for repairing DNA damages. But for repairing DNA, Reserve must reach DNA, and the biggest obstacle is crossing the cell's membrane. Very few ingredients are able to do so. It has been proven that Reserve has the ability to cross the cell's membrane. Reserve is improving our longevity. They found it in red wine. Red wine contains polyphenols. Polyphenols are molecules which give you the red to the red wine, the dark brown to chocolate, the green to the green teas. Grapes, apple, onion, peanuts, berry, and many other fruit and vegetables are loaded with polyphenols. And resveratrol is one of those molecules found in high concentration in the skin of the red grapes. And it's playing a major role in longevity. Those molecules can activate the sirtuin gene in the absence of calorie restriction to help repairing genes and then increasing longevity. So what are the health benefits of Reserve? Reserve increase endurance. Reserve increase the number of energy-producing mitochondria in muscle cells. It also enhances muscle strength and reduces muscle fatigue, along with improved coordination. Reserve enhances memory. Much the same way that we lose strength, endurance in our muscle as we age, we also see a gradual decline in memory, reaction time, and processing of information. Reserve enhances memory and reaction time. Reserve improves fat regulation. In 2005, scientists in Canada and in Chile discovered that resveratrol appears to counter the effects of elevated fatty acid and also slowed sugar absorption in the intestines. Reserve improves resistance against chronic inflammation, and chronic inflammation is one of the leading causes of DNA damage. Resveratrol has been proven to reduce inflammation at the cellular level. How can we take Reserve? Reserve is presented in a gel form, and this gel delivery system is very important because it increases the bioavailability of our ingredient, which means better diffusion to the digestive barrier. You can take from 1 to 3 sachets a day at any moment of the day. To make a long story short, resveratrol is a great discovery. And as so often happens with great discovery, the answers turn out to be based on a very simple idea. By taking natural plant molecules, we can switch genes on and off to benefit from their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, and blood sugar normalizing effect and at the end, live longer. Reserve is a very strong cellular level protection against oxidation and free radical damages. By mimicking calorie restriction, it will activate sirtuin genes and therefore protect our body against age-related diseases. It will give us more immediate energy, better focus, and concentration. Reserve is great for every one of us. My name is William Amzalag, and I am Generation Young. See you at our next episode.
Jeunesse. We are redefining youth. Nobel Prize-winning research uncovers a fundamental cause of aging. The answer cannot be seen by the human eye and is something called a telomere. Telomeres are made of repetitive DNA sequences that become the protective caps or ends of our chromosomes. Their duty is to protect our DNA. When we are born, our telomeres are long, but as time goes on, they begin to shorten. So short, in fact, that our telomeres fray, similar to the end of a shoelace, and our journey called cellular aging begins. When telomeres become too short, our cells can no longer carry out their critical functions. Cells start to self-destruct and eventually die. Scientists call this apoptosis. Cells dying is one thing, but when cells simply stop functioning, they can spew out dangerous free radicals and inflammatory molecules that essentially damage the nearby cells. So, how do we battle this process we call cellular aging? A nutrient has been shown to naturally enhance the enzyme needed to lengthen short telomeres, thereby adding healthy life to our cells. Thousands of studies show the connection between short telomeres and the natural process of cellular aging. What's more fascinating is that this is the only substance known that can perform this in the history of all mankind. Prepare for the future. Cellular aging ends here. Youth Enhancement Technology exclusive to Jeunesse.
recent scientific investigation has unlocked the damaging secret of uncontrolled obesity and weight gain, revealing old claims to be false with shocking results. Statistics now report the alarming climb is spreading worldwide and leading to the harsh reality that this can happen to anyone. Experts reveal that fat cells produce a vital messenger called leptin. Leptin is the most powerful hormone for appetite and metabolism control. It communicates to the brain to no longer crave food and tells the body when to start burning fat cells as energy. But the problem starts when the fat cells begin releasing an inflammatory molecule known as C-reactive protein. When CRP fuses with leptin molecules, it blocks the critical message the brain desperately needs to tell the body it's full. The metabolism is now no longer balanced, and the body goes into chaos. Enter the vicious cycle of unwanted weight gain, which can lead to extreme low energy, poor posture, obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. If we could restore balance to our metabolism, allowing leptin to enter as it should, this would assist in regulating appetite and fat burning properly. With the human body being the most sophisticated system on the planet, an advanced system requires an advanced solution to restore it back to proper order. This synergistic formula has been developed to solve this global problem and targets the essential aspects of intense fat loss, dramatic appetite control, the decrease of fat in inches, and the building of healthy, toned muscles. The body once again opens the way to excellent balance, allowing it to work in perfect harmony. The body stronger, the body leaner, the body younger, the body perfected. Zen Body, groundbreaking fat loss technology, exclusive to Jeunesse.
Wouldn't it be cool if someone took a global leader in anti-aging and broke the mold? If someone took our best-selling products, backed with science, and kept its DNA, evolved it into everything any health product could dream to be? What if it could restore the body at the cellular level and fight premature aging, cleanse, rejuvenate, increase daily energy? Yeah, that would be cool. Introducing the reimagined and more evolved Youth Enhancement System the world has ever known. Jeunesse. We are redefining youth.